All right, guys, what I got here is a TroyBilt TB25SB straight shaft. Now I want you to take a look at this. I haven't had it very long. You can see, great shape. However, doesn't run real good. It's hard to start, and you keep low RPM. I'm gonna show you that here in just a minute. Now I'm gonna follow all the directions carefully, 10 times. On the primer. Okay. Put it to number 1. Squeeze the throttle and pull the rope 5 times the max. Okay. Then move lever to 2, squeeze throttle and pull rope. I may have found out the problem. Now loose. The end of that is. Very loose right here. Watch out when I give it the throttle. It's unbalanced. That could be moving like that. So I'm going to take that thing apart, see what's making it be loose. Might just need some screws tightened on it. We'll see. Let's bring this thing down here. Zoom on it a little bit. I'll get the tools and we'll start looking at it. I should have everything right here. That one's a little loose. Let's take this off.